Hey, it has been a very, very long time, everyone. Uh, I've been so distracted with the other stuff that I've been doing that, and I think some of you know what I'm talking about. I have not had a chance to do any sort of videos on my own personal channel here. So I thought I'd start kind of coming back and doing some new things. It's almost been a year, I think, since my last video. And I wanted to start with an unboxing, a really simple, just kind of uh, unboxing of these amazing model kits that just showed up, and they're very small. They're not huge. They're not your usual like larger stuff I would do if you're a garage kit guy. They're in the more miniature scale. It's 1/24th, and I think they're all 1/24th. So 1/24th scale, and these are from the Broken Toad Dark Crystal Kickstarter that was happening. It's been a while. I think it was over a year ago. Um, I did not go all in. I couldn't afford it at the time. So I picked the ones that I think best represented my love for the Dark Crystal and the most bang for my buck. I'm going to go back and I think buy some more of those things when they become available. But I did get these three, which is Trial by Stone. And I got Jen and Kira on the Landstriders. And these two kind of fit together. And you could do them separately or they kind of go together. Now, I have opened one of the boxes. I haven't done much more than that just to see how the package is opening. The packaging is nuts and insane. So I'm gonna start with this. It's a little tough to kind of get them out of the sleeve. So what I did do was kind of peel this off, which I didn't really want to do. But we'll start with this one, the Trial by Stone. So from Broken Toad, collectible multi-part detailed resin model kit. Now I'm pulling this apart, which is it drives me nuts. I don't want to do this. I'll probably have to retape it. And this is the one I did open before. There's a nice kind of. It still feels tacky, so that's good. So anyway, get this back in focus. The packaging is beautiful. You have this magnetized gate fold, opens up. You get this card certifies this model is as 100% authentic or original authentic resin cast produced in the UK by Broken Toad. Broken Toad. Support real artists. Help stop recasting. Absolutely. Do not support recasting. If you're going to China to buy these, you're doing it wrong. Please, please, please. Do not support recasters. It also has a QR code for assembly videos, and we'll see what's in the box. So here we go. Oh boy. Solid resin cast. And oh man. I'll just shut up. This kind of go for itself. Both bodies. Chamberlain. Focus. Right? Size comparison. About the same. Not much different. It's a little taller. And here's the sword. Here's Chamberlain's head and sword. I'm afraid to even lose these parts, but you know, here's the sword. Everything came to get like showed up. Nice. Not broken, nothing's damaged. Hands are in there. The sword hilt. Probably grab out here. I don't want to spend too much time. I want to kind of keep this short. But here's your sword hilt. Fits. I haven't even looked at the directions. I probably will have to. But this fits nicely there. A little bit of sanding probably. Not much. Just so you get an idea. Oh yeah, no, it goes right in there. We have that sword. Let's look at Chamberlain. And his other hand is in there, but there's that smirk. Get it. There's the good old Chamberlain. Great little piece. Get back in others. Lots of parts too. And I'm trying to. I don't really want to lose anything, but I just wanted people to kind of see the scale. It's got your shoulder pad, other pads and stuff that are in there. Let me pull his head out. These are really nice too. Come on, camera. Short and sweet. Wait, there it is. I found it. Found it in the pack. I am like, I can't wait to paint these. It's something I've always wanted. I can't believe no one's really done this before. And Leave It to Broken Toad. Great casting. Beautiful pieces to get it done. The bases, I think, I mean, the crystals there, it's this, you know, we're doing the trial by stone where, don't break. So you have the stone piece where they're cutting into or hitting with the swords. But the pieces locked, these go, you know, around this, like that. And the stone goes in the center, and they're both kind of on either side of it. So it's a great little piece. I can't wait to get that together. Let me lose anything. But let's just look at some of that detailing. These are a little easier. Pull up. Like, getting dream come true. Gorgeous. Again, everything else is spoken. Which seems to be the problem with this camera, and that's in the works. That's the next thing to upgrade, is some of those cameras. But really cool on this. Let me get these packed back up, and I will pull up the other one here. Good enough for now. All right, Landstrider. Let's see if I can get this one. Jen on the Landstrider. This one. Same thing. Look at that. Same thing. Broken Toad. Here's the body of the Landstrider. Just kind of get an idea. Landstrider's body. Here's the legs. I don't know. Give you an idea of the size, how tall it's going to be. So, not too bad, actually. That's really nice. Back leg. Back leg. Oh, there's still a poor spot. Okay. So, this gives you about the size. I mean, that's perfect for making a little diorama with the Landstrider. The other little pieces that are in here, you have Jen Rocky base that'll link up with the one with Kira. here's the other. Just take a look at Jen real quick. This is great. I got that wonky face like he does in the movie, which is fine. Sitting on the back, trying to get him plugged in so you get an idea. Yep. Cape. Oh, that's great. Simply great. That's gonna be cool. And then it comes with other parts of the Landstrider, his hands, and that base, like I said. So I would think very similar. Let's see if I can get this one open without taking it apart. Careful. So I'm guessing same thing. Yep. Those up. This one. They not. Yeah, they're different. Okay, I was like worried for a second. So this one has a little more hair on it. Same thing. Legs. Didn't bother taking those out. They're fantastic as the other stuff. Let's look at Secure real quick. For other parts in there. There's some really tiny pieces there. Hers is like. So that's it. Those are the three kits I got from the Broken Toad Kickstarter for the Dark Crystal stuff. And Labyrinth. There was some Labyrinth stuff in there too. I kind of passed on that just again because of money. That stuff's just as beautiful as this. But this will make a great diorama, and I'm really excited that this finally showed up, and not unhappy about the money I spent. It was not cheap by any means, but I think I mean, with the way things are going these days, things are expensive when it comes to kits. You know what? Let me see how these lock together real quick. So, oh, they go like, so that's how they lock together, and we have it. So that was a quick, ugly unboxing of the Broken Toad Dark Crystal stuff that I got. Check out Broken Toad on Instagram. I'll put some links and the website, and I'll put it up down below. Thanks for checking me out. I'll be back with more videos soon. I promise I'm not going to spend a year not doing things. So I'll talk to you soon.